Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We have already started the series of parts of speech in which we are doing subordinating conjunctions. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. Let's see the definition of subordinating conjunction. A subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see the formula. Main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus subordinate clause. First of all, we will see wherever. It means at any place. First example, follow me wherever I go. So follow me, this is main clause. Wherever, that is subordinating conjunction. I go, that is subordinate clause. So follow me at whatever place I go. That is the meaning of this sentence. Wherever you go in the world, you will always find an English speaking guy. So here, wherever, that is subordinating conjunction. You go in the world, that is subordinate clause, and you will always find an English speaking guy, that is main clause. Here, wherever is given in the beginning, that's why comma is mentioned. Here, wherever is given in between the sentence, so we don't need comma over here. Next example, wherever you go, I will come with you. At any place you go, I will come with you. Next, we can go wherever you like. So we can go at any place you like. Some people enjoy themselves wherever they are. Spread beauty and happiness wherever you stay. It means at any place you stay. That is the meaning. Jerry always carries a camera with him wherever he goes. So Jerry always carries a camera with him at any place he goes. Insert it wherever you like. So insert it at any place you like. So it shows any place. You may sit wherever you like. At any place you like. He was welcomed at any place he went. Let's move to next, that is when. This when shows time. If you want to know more detail about this when, you can go to my previous video that is regarding with only WH questions. First example, someone dropped me here when I was young. It shows time. So, someone dropped me here when I was young. Here main clause, subordinating conjunction and subordinate clause. Second, he liked to do many activities when he was a kid. So when you want to refer time, then use when. So here main clause, subordinating conjunction and subordinate clause. Let's see more examples. We met them when we were in Singapore. It shows time. When I see you smile, I can face the world. She looked tired when she arrived in class. So, when is used in between the sentence. Here, when is used in the beginning of the sentence. That's why comma is compulsory. When the doorbell rang, my dog barked loudly. Tom's parents cheered for him when he crossed the finish line. I know the year when the First World War happened. Tell me when Arzu will return. May I know when the next train to Mumbai will arrive? When you are called, you must come in at once. So here when is used in the beginning. That's why comma is mentioned. Let's do exercise. Do as directed. Okay. 3 sentences are mentioned along with brackets. So you have to read the bracket also and you have to do accordingly. Do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, the roads are slippery, it rains. So here join with when. So the roads are slippery when it rains. Here two ways you can frame your sentences. So here when is given in between the sentence. So this way you can frame. Or if you want to put when in the beginning, then this second sentence is correct. When it rains, comma, the roads are slippery. Here comma is must because when is given in the beginning. Second, we go, I can find a job to fit my goals. Here join with wherever. So wherever we go, I can find a job to fit my goals. Or you can use I can find a job to fit my goals wherever we go. Both are correct sentences. I was a child, I used to play a lot. Join with when. When I was a child, comma, I used to play a lot. Or I used to play a lot when I was a child. Hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing. See you soon.